Some excellent questions came in via email before the upcoming workshop called Rags to Riches, basically using your custom knowledge base in order to build a GPT. Let's go ahead and go to the questions. Question number one, I don't run my own business. Would this still be useful for me to use in my practice? Absolutely, because it's customized, it's tailor-made. You can make it whatever use case you are trying to address. And I'm going to go to a quick example. If you keep watching until the very end, the second question, I'm a contracts manager and work for a professional services firm. We're not an e-commerce firm. Should the AI chatbot be used internally at the firm to keep with our teamwork? Yes, so that kind of goes back to question number one, is because you can build it to suit whatever purposes you want, as long as you get the principle. Sky is the limit. The third question, could you describe some ideal uses for the AI chatbot that he'll be using? And I can decide if this truly would help me with my daily business objectives. I'm for hired. I'm a mercenary, if you will. So you throw me any use cases at me, I will be able to talk through it. Being a professional services myself, perhaps a RFP. The very last example I'm going to show you is that there is a LinkedIn collaborative article. Basically, is can you kind of tweak the use cases a little bit if a government agency is looking for RFP, request for proposal, and they have all these requests, and then you'll be able to say, hey, this is the writing guidelines given by the government agencies, and this is the knowledge, this is your blogs, your interviews, your knowledge base. Maybe you have published a couple books. You can feed all of that into the knowledge base, and that will be your GPT. I promise to show you the LinkedIn collaborative articles. This is truly beyond the scope. I'm just picking a use case where you can actually find a repository of questions very easily. You can put that question and all the relevant details into my GPT that knows what I do, that knows my writing style, and I want to be able to quickly come up with a draft. If you'd like to get more information about this particular topic, I actually going to link something down below in the show notes. You can find out more about the LCA. LinkedIn collaborative articles. I'm going to pick one question. The question is how you can tackle challenges as a freelance data analyst. Click on here. Question, there are 6 subcomponents: acquire, manage, enhance, optimize, maintain, blah, blah, blah. There's an art behind this. Again, this is beyond the scope. So I'm just going to find out a sub question, a subcomponent that I'm interested to talk more about, because I'm building a digital course that's going to be released in a couple of weeks. So I do want to brand myself as the skills expert. So actually I'm going to copy 2 pieces of information into my custom GPT that has been trained to just write LCA. Okay, but again, if you think about RFP, contracts, whatever it is on your mind, you'll be able to get there. Okay, so copy this. Here's how you can tackle, put it in there. And I'm also going to give the sub component or the sub questions, doing that. And again, if you were to do the exact same thing, you may not get the same results, because this is my GPT. I've been training it. As you can see, is pretty quickly using GPT 4.0. That's the model. And then I've been pretty much asking it to give me a couple bullets. Okay, it's building me more than I would like, and that's for a reason. I want to be able to eyeball it. I say, well, soft skills, it's covering a lot of ground. It's kind of all over the place. Say that I want to just talking about build a portfolio. I'm going to do a refined prompt. Let's condense the writing to 750 characters. 750 is very precise. It fits within the LinkedIn. From my experience, it's usually 60-70% accurate. But if I'm really lazy and not very creative, I could potentially use this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to just demonstrate it live. Dump this, edit, and I just contribute to the knowledge base. And to be able to see it live, if you go back to your profile page, and if you go click on my comments, you can actually see, oh, Kenny Flo's been staying up late, and then contribute to one article. Click on comments. you'll be able to see, hey, this is exactly the one that we contributed. All right, that's it. So if you have any more questions, please send me an email. Thank you.